Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Laravel developers face when trying to install the farhanshares Laravel Media Manager package using Composer. If you've ever encountered an error while installing this package in your Laravel project, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the troubleshooting process and provide a clear explanation of how to resolve the issue. So let's dive into the problem at hand. When trying to install the farhanshares Mediaman package using Composer in Laravel 11, some users may encounter an error message indicating that the installation failed due to a compatibility issue or missing dependency. This can be frustrating, especially if you're not familiar with how Composer works. To start resolving this issue, it's essential to understand what Composer is and how it manages dependencies for your project. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP that allows you to easily install and manage libraries and packages required by your application. When you run the command composer require farhanshareslaravel-mediaman, Composer attempts to download and install the specified package along with its dependencies. However, sometimes this process can fail due to various reasons such as version conflicts or missing requirements. In the case of the Laravel Media Manager package, it might require specific versions of other packages or PHP extensions that are not installed in your project. To troubleshoot the issue, let's break down the steps involved. Firstly, ensure that you have the correct version of Composer installed on your system and that your project's composer.json file is properly configured. Next, try running the command composer update to update all dependencies in your project before attempting to install the Media Manager package. If the issue persists, check the error message carefully for any clues about what might be causing the problem. You can also try running the installation command with the nodev flag to exclude development dependencies, or use the ignore platform reqs flag to ignore platform requirements. Another possible solution is to manually specify the version of the package you want to install by appending the version number to the package name in your Composer require command. For example, if you're trying to install version 2 of the Media Manager package, you can use the following command: composer require farhanshareslaravel-mediaman tool. To summarize, when encountering an error while installing the farhanshares Laravel Media Manager package using Composer in Laravel 11, understand how Composer works and manages dependencies for your project. Ensure correct version of Composer is installed in composer.json file is properly configured. Try updating all dependencies before installing the package. Check error messages for clues about the issue. Attempt to install specific versions of packages or use flags like nodev or ignore platform requests. That's it for today, folks. If you've been struggling with installing the Laravel Media Manager package using Composer in your Laravel project, I hope this video has provided a clear explanation and helpful troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials, and ask any questions or share your experiences in the comments below. If you'd like me to cover any specific topics in future videos, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.